Hello students, welcome to Mintu Maths classes. Your question is, prove that tan inverse of square root 1 plus x square plus square root 1 minus x square upon square root 1 plus x square minus square root 1 minus x square is equals to pi by 4 plus half cos inverse x square. Now to prove this, let us consider left hand side. And your left hand side is tan inverse of square root 1 plus x square plus square root 1 minus x square upon square root 1 plus x square minus square root 1 minus x square. Now we can simplify this inverse trigonometric function by using substitution. And we know the formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. So we are going to substitute x square as cos 2 theta. So your function will become tan inverse of square root 1 plus cos 2 theta plus square root 1 minus cos 2 theta upon square root 1 plus cos 2 theta minus square root 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now by applying the formulas, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 sin square theta. By applying these two formulas, we will get square root 2 cos square theta plus square root 2 sin square theta upon square root 2 cos square theta minus square root 2 sin square theta. Now we know that theta lies between your x square is equals to cos 2 theta. So as x lies between minus 1 and 1, your x square must lie in between 0 to 1. तो 0 to 1 अगर cos 2 theta lie करता है, if cos 2 theta lie in between 0 to 1, so 2 theta must lie in between 0 to pi by 2. And theta will lie in between 0 to pi by 4. तो थीटा आपका 0 से pi by 4 के बीच में है एंड pi by 4 0 से pi by 4 तो cos थीटा और sin थीटा दोनों पॉजिटिव होते हैं. सो यू कैन रिड्यूस दिस एज स्क्वायर रूट 2 cos थीटा प्लस रूट 2 sin थीटा अपॉन रूट 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta. Root 2 will cancel out and you will get tan inverse of cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Now our purpose is to reduce the inner bracket in tan of something. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, cos से ऊपर नीचे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. So you will get your left hand side will become tan inverse of, अगर आप cos theta से ऊपर नीचे डिवाइड करते हैं अपने फंक्शन को तो 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Now you can write it as 1 को आप tan pi by 4 लिख सकते हैं प्लस tan थीटा अपॉन 1 माइनस tan थीटा के साथ आपका 1 मल्टीप्लाइड में है ही, तो यू कैन राइट tan pi by 4 इंटू tan थीटा एंड दिस विल बिकम tan ऑफ pi by 4 minus theta. Now we have to check whether pi by 4 minus theta will lie in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 or not. Otherwise it won't be invertible. So as theta lies between, as theta lies between 0 to pi by 4. You have pi by 4 minus theta, or we can write it as plus. So pi by 4 plus theta will lie in between pi by 4 to pi by 2, and which is in the range of tan inverse. So hence it is invertible and it will give you pi by 4 plus theta. Now theta, what is theta? Now theta is cos to आप cos को पहले इन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 2 theta is equals to cos inverse of x square and theta is equals to half of cos inverse of x square. So we can replace here theta as half of cos inverse x square, and this is our right hand side.